Generative AI has now entered into its database era. MIT researchers have released GenSQL, a new tool that allows for faster and more accurate processing of complex queries in a large dataset. SQL is structured query language. It's largely used in business and large datasets to find meaningful patterns in data. It often requires manipulating data in some way for sorting and receiving statistical insights. However, GenSQL allows for deeper insights with a more straightforward approach. For example, the researchers hope that this can help process complex population queries. They use the example of asking the database the question, how likely is it that a developer from Seattle knows the programming language Rust? I personally think that one of the things I like best about this new tool is that GenSQL has a level of transparency that you don't see in a lot of generative models right now. If one of the queries in the database were about a patient's treatment that comes from a minority group in an unrepresented set of people in the dataset, then GenSQL would tell the user that it's uncertain about the treatment that it suggests, and how uncertain that it is. It's not being overconfident in a wrong answer like how many other models are at the moment. And this, in my opinion, is one of the core features of the new model. It shows which statistical data it's pulling from and provides measures for uncertainty. Unlike traditional SQL where a user has to search and be specific with what type of data they use, GenSQL can help choose that data and then it shows you which data it chooses. Right now, it's still reliant on programming languages for queries, and I don't know SQL, but when they enable natural language queries, I think it would be cool in theory to search around population data and come up with some fun queries. Thanks for watching till the end. Bye.